Jumbo. Konnichiwa. Hello. Maganda hapon. Mwadera bamona baba. Okay, it's Masunga John, and today I'm going to show you how to cook shrimps by using Sprite. Okay, so here are the ingredients I'm going to use. The shrimp itself with the Sprite in. I put all the Sprite in. Okay, and butter, garlic, salt and pepper. So the first step, we are going to boil the shrimp for about 5 minutes, and we're gonna take it out and put the butter, garlic and salt and pepper. 今日はエビの作り方を見せます。今日は一応スプライトを使います。スプライトと、あとは最初はスプライトをシュリンプに入れて、でボイルして、ボイルになったら取って、その後バッター入れて、フライパンにバッター入れて、でガーリックで、あとは塩コショウ。じゃあ今日はこれから作ります。Okay, so the first step is to on the. Okay, so I've put already the Sprite in the shrimps. So the first time is to boil everything. Okay. Wow, big shrimps. Okay, so I'm going to boil the shrimp, and it will take about 5 minutes, I guess. Okay, so now the shrimp is ready. I'm gonna turn it off, and then put the shrimp back into the bowl, ready for frying. Okay, like this. Gonna wash a bit. So the next step, I'm going to add the butter and garlic. Then I'll put the shrimp in. Okay. So I'll add the butter. Butter kashite. So the garlic 入れて put the garlic. Then fry the garlic for a few minutes. So now I'm going to add the shrimp one by one. And then the next step is to wait a bit. Have to wait a bit. Okay, so I'll add salt and pepper. これ塩コショウ入れて 感じ。And I'll wait for a few minutes until it turns to brown. 茶色になってから。で、繰り返して、I'll turn it on the other side. As you can see, turning to brown. The color looks good. So now I will add the rest of the Sprite, just a bit to the taste, because it's yummy. Okay, so I will cover for the Sprite to go off. Yeah, just for a few minutes. Okay, as you can see now, the shrimp is ready. It looks nice and good. The color is perfect, and okay, I'll take it out. Ooh. This is shrimpです. Okay, this is the shrimp I made today. I used Sprite, garlic, butter, and salt and pepper. Wow, this looks yummy. 今日はシュリンプエビを作りました。スプライトとガーリックとバター。で塩コショウで最初はボイルしてでその後少しフライして OK, let's taste. Wow, it's big. Wow. とっても美味しいです。It's very yummy. Please make a challenge. Try to make shrimp by using Sprite. You won't regret it. It's perfect. So please subscribe to my channel, Masunga John, and please like my videos and share. 皆さんこれ見たらあなたもチャレンジしてみよう。スプライトでとってもいい味です。皆さん登録してお願いします。登録した人はとても大切な人、ありがとうございます。じゃあね、バイバイ、クワヘリー。